All right. Once again, I welcome you all to this great digital conference that's happening on career guidance presented by 3G. Hope you are enjoying. We have almost completed 1.5 days. And since yesterday, you have been giving such an immense support. And now I request MC Nandini Aravindan to take over the stage to welcome the next
Yes.
powerful speaker who has been waiting since yesterday. And we are going to have a power packed 1.5 hour
Okay.
session from the speaker. So, Nandini, you can take it forward.
Well, here I am, ladies and gentlemen, MC Nandini Aravindan. I hope your tummies are full and it's time to feed your brain the gray matter and the time to activate your neurons. Where I really feel happy and excited to edify the speaker of our session. All right, so we have Dr. Ganapati Vijay Kumar, who is an MA, MS, MBA, and PhD holder. Dr. Ganapati Vijay Kumar, who is dearly called as Dr. GK by us, is a behavioral scientist, psychotherapist, psychometrician, neuropsychologist, hypnotherapist, motivational speaker, research guide, marital counselor, guest faculty, corporate and soft skill trainer, mentor, and a coach since 1983. Oh, wow. Now I know his experience is greater than my age. That's commendable. All right, coming to his professional traits, he conducts behavioral training programs for the executives, supervisors, staffs, employees of the organization on a need basis. He is a visiting psychotherapist in 6 different hospitals in Chennai. He is a guest faculty for 6 universities for papers in psychology and management subjects. He conducts tailor-made package for college students on how to face the campus interviews, personality development, communication skills, soft skills, and interview skills. He uses psychological tests for the purpose of induction, recruitment, and promotional competency assessment as psychometrician for many organizations. He has done graduation, post graduation, and doctorate degrees in psychology as subject matter expert, and he has done masters in business administration and science degree guidance and counseling. He has done many diplomas related to human enrichment and cognitive development. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's get deep dive into his knowledge sharing session by lending our ears to him. So once again, I welcome Dr. Ganapati Vijay Kumar, who is dearly called as Dr. GK. So welcome, sir.
Thank you, Nandini madam and 3G technical team, Tamil and other people. And good afternoon, friends. Most awaiting my time has come, so I am here with you, and I am going to take about another mostly about 80 to 90 minutes. And any questions and answer you can send it as our technical team say that you send it in the chat. And you are I know that there are a lot of psychometric experts are in the field, and I'm like to learn from them also. This is one kind of a program. This is not a training program. It's a kind of program. What is the basic of psychometry? And some of you must be knowing, but I may be giving the importance. Maybe the new students or the junior people or some of the people are very not aware of more on psychometry online. So how could able to do the in the market in the present scenario? What is expectations about the psychometry, which I'm going to share about you. And it is only a care and share session, and I want more input from your side. And if you give more input, I will learn more. That is what the things. And I am practicing from in Chennai 1983 for the past more than 3 decades. I am here to learn because any program it is only 3 concepts. Am I audible to everybody? Tamilji, Madam Nandini.
Yes, sir. Voice is clear, sir.
Very good, very good. Right. Okay. So there are only 3 concepts. One is about learn, unlearn, and relearn. You know things what I have learned in my college. No way it's going to help me in my practical sessions from 1983. But what I have learned from the markets and from my present and my practice that helped me to go on that. But still, then we are relearning it. Whatever the things are, markets are a requirement. Accordingly, we have to change ourselves. So I consider this from this moment. All the people, those who are listening my lecture, my session, my presentation, I think them that they are also the career counselors, career guidance people. They are doing job, all that. Though they are not doing it, from this moment you have to take the caption on that. That's why I want you to be like that. But I am proud to be create a competitors. You know, friends, you are all my competitors now, and you are going to come to the market, and we are going to do a lot of things along with the GD, about 3G products and all that we are going to excellently produce about it. That's what about it. But one thing I'll tell you, people are doing psychology and counseling, all that. I will tell you very simple. You need not even do psychology. Even a lot of people when they are going for all about many university PG program or MPhil or PhD program, my students will ask me, sir, should we require a psychology or counseling, psychology background to do counseling? No, very simple. You have got a passion towards helping others, concern for human being. If two things are there, you are a counselor, friends. Don't think about it. It require any degree or qualifications. Accordingly, even if you got a degree also, I always tell the people that be more, learn what is happening from the clients, from the markets. So that is what I wanted to tell about it. And when MC was introducing me, they said a lot of things. And I'll tell you, after I joined in a Government of India hospital, I served for 30 years. And after VRS, when I joined in the Government of India hospital, I started learning a lot of things. So that's what we require. And I would like to go with my presentations on what is a psychometry and all that. You know very well, metry means measurement. All of you know about it. And whatever I'm telling, suppose I'm telling you the basic things, our seniors and experts, those who are here, don't mistake me. I'm telling you for their understanding. That's what I would like to put a submission to you. And knowledge about only thing is on metry, on psychometry, on psychological measurement, we are using all psychological tools. But regarding the tools, there are 1 lakh of tools are available in the market. But we have precisely made it all that into 7 components. As ever in the morning, our chairman said about all these finders, pathfinders, and all that. I'm also going to show you what our chairman covered it. Just wanted to show you on that to reminder. That is what I would like to know about it. So what we are going to measure is about knowledge, ability, then about attitudes, then about personality traits, and about educational measurements. When you talk about the traits, you know very well, human being has got 2 things. The one is a trait, other one is a type. Trait is the one born with us. Type is the one we learned in the acquired in the things. And how many of you are happily here on this team or friends team? The earlier days itself, our forefathers had told, a human being has gotten 2 things, Sol Buddhi, Swaya Buddhi. So all these things are called traits and types, which you are able to know about it. That is what we are going to know on that also. And moreover, here we are going to learn on professionally how you have to be a career counselor, career guidance, or all that guidance. How are you going to go about it? What is a professional? We have to construct a test according to the need of the hour, need of the institute, need of the corporates. That's what I'm successful here. I'm consultant for about 600 corporates on recruiting, on selection board of our executives and supervision workmen. All the way we conduct the psychometry assessment. You know, friends, earlier it was psychometry assessment only were in the uniform services. After that, it has been gradually now moved to even our civilian companies also has come. Not only MNC, civil people also started using us. So there are a lot of opportunities there, nothing to worry about it. And we have to go with that according to the need. So construction of test, what are things we have to know about it? And other thing is called how we have to theoretically, you know very well, as our my colleague Dr. Maharaja used to say, even the gravitation theory comes after he found the apple fall, and he found before it was so gravitation was there, but someone have to find out. So theory is a base. With the base, we have to construct a test. So how are you going to? What are the components? What are the ideas which you have to inculcate, and what is the need of the hour? All that we should know about it. That is what. So always people will ask education, as I told you, education, no way it is going to be when you want to be a successful, education is not only major requirements. I know there are a lot of people, they are very successful without education. They also will agree with me. And if that is said, then career. What is career? In what way it is affect my life? Because we are all now, as I told you, we are all in the about our career counselor and career guidance and about psychometrician. All that from this moment you have to take it up. I will tell you, friends, from this moment onwards, and you put in your mind that you are a career counselor, you will become a career counselor. Don't say that in your mind that I will become a career counselor. No. Once you heard a message from our 3G community, once you attend the seminar itself, we'll definitely, from this moment, you can able to have a confidence on career counselors. That much I can able to assure you from the 3G team and make you on more article, more practical. As our chairman said, we are not doing anything theoretical. Though with a theoretical base, we have to make them to understand. The day one you can start doing your job. That is our specialty of our 3G, our team members. So definitely we will be with you, and you also, we request you to be with us forever, not only for this 3 day or 2 day. No, I would like to go about it. So further proceeding about it on career, I will tell you, any person should have a passion, more concern about others. That is our job. That is our career. How we have to think about on career side? What are things are required? That always I tell the people that, yeah, as it, take for example, it is about our our teachers. Teachers, they teach, then they go. But those who are student, they'll become big shots. But teachers are on the same level. So like that, there we create a lot of people. Being a career counselor, what is the patient required? Basic simple one is required is, everybody in the world can say how many seeds are an apple. But being you and me as a career guidance and counselor, you only say with one seed how many apple will come. Think about it. That is what we are going to perceive the hidden talents of our clients. It may be institution, it may be a college, it may be university, whatever it is. So always we have to think about it. Now people are, our Pankaj friend says that where is the PPT, and I thought I will you technically please allow me to share my screen.
1 second, sir. We are on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you.
audience.
Thank you. So this is how all that is there. As I told you, psychometrician, who is psychometrician and what are things which is required. Although this will be given to you by our technical members, 3G team, to you. No problem on that. And if anything missed, you can talk to us. You can discuss with us anytime, 24/7 and 360 days. We are available to you. And career, as I told you, as you know very well, being passionate on career counselors and guidance, we are doing a much wonderful service to the human being. That much you have to learn. And but when they come for counseling or guidance, all that, or selecting the career also, or selecting the course also, you all must be knowing that the parents' influence and the peer influence, 2P influence will be there for you. Even the influence on the counselor. I want this. I want my child to be do that, all that. So we should be able to convince the parents, and you should be able to make the child to understand what is their ability, skill, caliber, all that. But I'll tell you, friends, very simple. Everybody assembled here, even as a student or experts or whoever it is, you all will agree with me. Everybody has got some skill, ability, caliber, potential, capabilities. No doubt. So with that, how are we going to develop our future professional? That is more important, that, right? So all that we always say that, as I told you, this is about, as our chairman says, that upskill and reskill. That's why I told you in a different term in psychology, learn, unlearn, relearn, all that way. So next is about what are the role it influence on my life. You know very well, you all agree with me, personal, right? Personal. But if you ask I will tell you a very simple question. If you ask your parents or your grandparents, though they are in the highest position occupied in the government or non-government or private or public sector, whatever the higher position they occupied, you ask them what you want to become and what you have occupied. Generally, they say about it, I would have studied proper, then I would have been in a better position. This is what most of the thing. And your parents say that I would have better educated better, then I would have been in a best position. So nobody is satisfied with our job. Basically, if I ask anybody else. So are we making directing the clients, our students, or budding pillars of our country, or future leaders of our nation? Are we correctly directing them on their role, what they are fit for it? Automatically they can able to go about it. So without the influence of your things. And moreover, most of the students, when they come and attend our counseling session, students will say that, sir, in my family, one person becomes CA, sir. All my family was there's influence only. You want to become CA, and he's earning about more than per month itself. He's earning about 3L, 4L, and you also. So that is always the family members. They wanted their child not to suffer. All that is it. And everybody wants to be only in their comfort zone. So if you know very well, you have to make your student to come out of the comfort zone. Make them what is their maximum reachability of the things. So that is what the career plays a major role in all level education, family, society, and vision, all that. And a crucial factor for success, you know that. But before we go for this, I would like to tell you one point. If we ask our friends, team, what is the definition of success and achievements? So many definitions will come. But out of these 3.5 decades, what I have learned is success is with all the facility, if you complete the task, that is success. Achievement means with achieve the task. Achieve the task. So we are all born to achieve. There is no doubt. Some friends, some clients say that, sir, I don't know about me. What is my strength? I do not know. What is my weakness? I do not know. How I am going to compete in this? There are a lot of competitions. Yes, that you know, that is a base. If you don't know that, they have to start from your scrap level. Now you know at least some level. I can able to make you an achievement level. It's a science. I tell them when you started dance, when you started run, simple question I ask. What, sir, for career counseling for this question, what it is related, sir? I will tell you, you started dance in your mother's womb. So nobody required for you to dance. Same way, you started doing exercise in your mother's womb. What about running? Simple, friends. Before we form as a fetus in a mother's womb, we started running from the father. When millions of cells, sperm has come. Out of this competition, ran and achieved the egg. You and me are here now. It's a science. Nobody can refuse it. Nobody can reject it or anything else. You have to accept. So I tell the students, in that stage, you don't have a qualification, experience, money, influence. Nothing was there. That stage itself, you could able to achieve means now you are having everything. Why do you have a thought? Don't have a second thought. Go for achievements. So for that, I always tell the people two things are out of this crucial success. I give importance. One is about know yourself and about your confidence. Confidence, how it comes? You receive lot of information. When you want to visit foreign country, you need only one passport. But when you want to explore yourself, you require 5 passport. Already you got a 5 passport. What are things? 5 senses. Out of the 5 senses, you are always giving information, inputs to your main box of brain. Think about it. And how are you going to utilize it? Going on only input. What about the output? Once you receive everything, encoding, decoding happens. Automatically, you can able to proceed what could be, what is happening in the facts, and how are you going to plan, how I am going to commit. So with this, 2 things I always tell the people. But before that, confidence, I always say that you have got a lot of resources, friends. In psychology, we say that internally we have got a 5 resources, 10 resources. Externally, you got a 10 resources. But are we utilizing our own resources of these 20 resources? Then only we can expect from the parents, from the family, from the society, from the country, from the globe level. Am I utilizing it or not? Sir, I am using whatever I know about it. Yes, there are certain things which you do not know about yourself. How? we are going to see about all different area, intelligence, creativity, all that in later PowerPoints you are going to see about it. But I'll tell you a simple example. What is my resource, how I'm going to utilize it. Simple demo, let me give. Overall, in our team now, all the friends, I'll put a request. We'll go for simple demo. Keep your right leg straight, rotate clockwise. At the same time, write in your right hand number 6 from top to bottom. Keep your right leg straight, rotate clockwise, and write number 6 in your right hand from top to bottom. Think about it. Most of you cannot able to do that. Why? You know the reason? There is a possibilities. Both you cannot do at the same time, but it requires practice. From 3G, we give you all the training. We give we talk about only the solutions, 3G team. We never talk about the challenges and problems. As we invite lot of problems and challenges, we never say problems, we say challenges. Now for this, how are you going to give solution? Same way, keep your right leg straight, rotate clockwise, in the right hand, instead of starting from upper, from top, you start in the middle, you come down, go up, you get a 6. So everything has got a solution, friends. So you and me be prepared to give solution to your clients. There are only two possibilities. Either direct means the client is not able to bring the solutions, you directly give the solutions. That's called direct method. Other one is called indirect method. You make the client to bring 2-3 solutions and ask them to adapt it. And which one comes, which one is successful, automatically they can able to learn on their own. Because we need more on independent of the peoples, right? So all that are in our things, that know yourself and get facts and plan, ensure commitments, all that. Why do we select career? All that. You know, friends, you are unique. You all know about it, right? That's why in my PowerPoint I said finger points. In your own family, among your siblings, your elder or younger siblings, brother or sisters, see your palm, fingerprints are different. See your lip rings, you are different. Everything is different. When everything is different, do you want to prove that you are different in this world? You are unique in this world, right? That way. You know very well, friends, if you are different, the whole world will look at you. If you are like everybody, they will not. That's a wonderful opportunity. We are born once. That's what it says. Born once. You know when we are. Only thing is we are going to die, but we do not know when we are going to take a ticket to Upper. We do not know. Till such time, as we say in the book, first page is the born, last page is the death. In between, what you want to write about your own history. That's up to you to go about it. So that is what we have got about 40 years in the working conditions. It's about 80,000 hours. Think about it. How are you going to utilize it? Why you go for 40 hours, 40 years? You just think about it. Per day, you got 86,400 seconds in your hand. I'm not talking about microseconds. I'm not talking about nanoseconds. Are we doing budget properly without a zero budget? If you ask on your own, then you will get an answer. If you ask you to talk about your friends, you talk about 1 year without stopping. But when you ask about yourself, you talk about yourself, you may not be able to expose. If you are exposed, you are a good career counselor, you are a good guidance person, all that is there. So always we have to be a best, try to come up, and for that what is required? Practice, 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 practice. Keep on learning. Go. The day will come one day. It helps you. All your base will help you. But for that, you have to keep doing, keep moving. That is there. Then what about your selecting your planning your career? You know very well. Maybe in my slide, it may show that is starting from 9th and 10th standard about your deciding about a career. No, friends. It's starting from 6th standard onwards. How many of you agree? I do not know. I am in charge of, I am the part of the team of 700 NGOs in Chennai around India. In this NGO, we have selected nearly about 20 students from orphanage. We have selected about survey done about more than 10,000 students, and this out of 100, 20 are very determined to become an IAS UPSC clearance, and they want to become IAS officer. They are not talking about UPSC. I want to become a collector, sir. All that they say about it. So we have selected 20 people. Every year we are giving what are the updates. Our team, about 6 people, we are giving it. Veligati. They are wonderful. No doubt. But from my request, as a parent of the child, I got 2 daughters. As a parent, as a grandson, all, I will tell you, parents, children are, youngsters are very creative, intelligent, assertive, technology wise super, everything super. How, sir? I will tell from my example. I know only 4 functions button of the remote TV remote. But my grandson can able to tell all the button functions. They're very creative, no doubt about it. When I was a student, teacher used to, according to our intelligence, teacher used to divide the class into 3 categories. I don't know how many of you know about it, youngsters. Camper, coal, wetwood. Camper put a fire, catches immediately. Coal put a fire, add a catalyst, boost, then it gets. Wetwood, nothing. But nowadays, youngsters, well, how do they do? We are the class, modern teachers, they divided the class into visual learner, auditory learner, kinesthetic or tactile learner. We'll be seeing later all the PowerPoints assessments. How are you going to know about it all? But here, why I am added here, nowadays students, they have divided the classified the teachers into 3 categories. One is the teacher comes and talk about one, no other extra points out of the class. They are called better teacher. Teacher comes and tells wax stories, all case studies with smiling face is a good teacher. But a teacher, he reaches all the students in the class. They are called the best. So we want to be the best to reach all our clients, whoever visiting our center or whoever visiting your center, all should be there. That will be always updating ourselves. I will also learn and you will also learn along with me. Whatever you say, I will accept. And whatever things you want to show anything else, we'll start learning from you. That's not the problem. Learning from both ends is a mutual. That's what. So all that I would like to go with this. And next is about choosing career. We've got a lot of myths and conceptions, right? So choosing very comfortably. And generally, how the students are, they know very well from the day started semester onwards. If they start preparing itself, they know they may get a gold medal. That they know about it, which we not tell them. But mostly, majority what do they do? Before the exam, about 1 week or 1 month, they prepare and they get the mark. So they know everything. It's not that they do not know. They know everything, but still then it is about it. So there are about choose career from best career list. Yesterday, a lot of speakers have told about it. Experts, they told about it, about blue collar, white collar, all the job. Every youngsters want to be only a white collar job or in the executive positions. But for that, how do they prepare themselves? What do they know about them? All that is most important. That. Okay. So what are the points to be avoided? Don't follow everybody. You create your own path. You create your own path. You are special for your family, and the family expects you special from you. It's a mutual. Ultimate, what your family expects, what your society expects. You want to be successful in your career path. You create your career path. How? Situation comes automatically. When I was a student like you, maximum choice of choosing is only about 10 profession, like doctor, engineer, scientist, all that. But now you got more than 40,000 professions are there around you. So enormous opening, which you have to create. Though we know that there are a lot of jobs are going to be loose or automated taken by the artificial intelligence, but still then there are some of the jobs artificial intelligence cannot do as like our human being. Though it may be speed. Though I am going to give on psychology side, what are the inputs to my pi personal artificial intelligence person? By now we have to say pi on that. But still then human being is a human being. Nobody can beat it. That we are going to look into it. I'm expecting the good from the result from our team, and with all our support we can able to go about it. And get tempted by the current trends, what is required now, all that is there. And influenced by media and mostly by the our own age group, peer group. That is most influential one. There's no doubt about it. And how to choose a career? There are 4 domains which I thought I could able to give you the most important domains. One is what interest I have got. Second is aptitude. Attitude is different. Aptitude is different. Attitude determines your height of the success, height of your achievement. Aptitude is what job I am selecting. In that job, I have got a passion or concern or not. That's what going to you and me are going to assess, and we give it to the student. It is our job. Give it to them. This is a report. With the report, you want to ask any questions, they can raise, and we'll be clearing that. And once he is convinced, he will go with that. But don't expect that only he has to follow your directions. No way. We are here only to help them to know about themselves. What are the career they are best for it? That's what you are already, some of the experts in our team are there, and they may be doing it, and still then we have to do about it. There are 1 lakh of tests is there on aptitude test. We'll be seeing later. Intelligence. As I told you, great. Nowadays youngsters, there is no doubt they are intelligent people. Because brain weight is same according to the age. You all will agree with me. But how do we utilize it? You know, friends, why we are, as I told you on demo, rotate your right leg and put number 6 is a task of 2 sides of the brain. Right brain and left brain. Right part of the brain, left part of the brain. Now some of you having a doubt, sir, I have an earlier doubt whether I have 1 brain or not. Now you are telling 2 brains. It's true, friends. Left part of the brain controls the right part of the body. Right part of the brain controls the left part of the body. Science, nobody can reject it. So what these 2 are doing, 19 function it is doing. Left 19 function, right part of the brain function 19 function. But are you utilizing it? All that we are going to see in our, how are you going to assess, and all that is there. And about personality, and those who are not familiar with the personality, I'm talking about it. Suppose you are going and introducing yourself to any experts committee. I am Dr. J.V. Kumar. I am an extroverted personality. Simply I'm saying by name and native. If you added this personality, they look at you in different way. That's what I want all our friends. Further, I'll give you basic knowledge. There are 3 types of personalities available in around us. One is extrovert. That means happy-go-lucky person. Very jolly. Wherever he is there, the rejoice. Everybody is enjoying his company. If one day he is absent, everybody will feel his absence. They are called extrovert. Introvert, come and do the job and they go. They don't even smile. They are called introverts. Extrovert 20% around you, introvert 20% around you. Rest of the 60% are ambiverts. What are they? When they join with the extrovert team, they'll become extrovert. When they join with the introvert, they'll become an introvert. Think about it. Okay, sir. Now I know the personality. What is the use, sir? Friends, once you know the personality, which job you are fit, and what is your team where you can able to get along. That you know. If you are an extrovert, you are good at marketing, selling things, social concept or products, whatever it is. Right? So that means introvert, they are best in the corporates, in the companies for R&D, quality, secret maintenance, meeting, all that they are best people. You cannot interchange them. Suppose you put introvert to the market, already 2 products in the market will come back to your company. So ambiverts, they are good at the PR, personal rapport relationships, very good. Public relations, very good. Any client with a complaint they come, you just hand over to an ambivert of your executive. He will handle very nicely and tell them one the client. Thank you, sir. Happy, sir. Take care, sir. He'll go back. So once you know that, all these things, as I told you, team experts. If I am an extrovert, can you guess that which team I will be very best fitting? Either extrovert or introvert or ambivert. You know, friends, if I am an extrovert, I will go very close only with the introvert. Think about it. You know the nature law, opposite poles gets attracted. This is what we have to know about. So you know in depth. I always the one criteria for a career counselor, guidance counselor is don't see, please perceive. How he is doing in interactions when administering the test, how he is reacting and how is he responding. All that you observe and you have to perceive, not seeing. Think about what is perceiving. I always quote an example: tea or coffee. 1 cup of chaya or coffee. Put it in front of the table. There is a question asked: how many people have worked very hard to bring this coffee on your table? People may say 10 or 5 or 10 or 50. Some will say only 1 because mother is preparing or our spouse is preparing. Or he may be preparing on his own. But I'll tell you, friends, there are 5 lakh people hard work is consists inside the tea, chaya or coffee. Sir, don't tell lies, sir. Simple example, friends. Take from your tea estate. The people have worked on their family. Manuring and harvesting, seeding, all that, watering. Then put it in the tea factory and coming out of the package, nice package. Think about it. So, all together 1 lakh people along with the family. Then taking from the sugarcane farm, then go to sugar factory, then come out. Then ONGC gas coming to the house. When you switch on your gas stove, it comes. Then gas stove factory, then whistle, then spoon, tumbler, net, all that. Then water coming from to your house, all that. Then logistics, advertisements, all inclusive 5 lakh people. So from this moment, when you take chaya, you give respect to all the 5 lakh people, hard work. Automatically, the chaya will be very tasty to you. If you see that only our mother, her spouse is preparing, you may not like the taste. So like that, you have to perceive the personality level in that way. So career counseling, what are things are your need for? As I told you, need for the counselors, already I talked about this. Then confusion, conflict will come. Anybody the conflict will come. What I have to choose? But being a career counselor, we have to go for always positive. But give them a lot of positive things. Plus. Approach, conflict, strategy. We have to adapt. And we automatically the client also will be very happy on that. Then right educational path, increase the competition is more. Don't worry about it. Competition is there everywhere. If competition is there, you are success. If there is no competition, you cannot prove that. Suppose you are occupying one position, more than 1 lakh people have not got the job. You got the top job. But how you have to be in that job? So competition. Always we say that competition, competencies, then confident. So think about it. If these three are there, we will be able to move on our ladder of the achievements. There is no competition. There's nothing else here, right? So technology equipped guidance and all our how to become a career counselor, updating ourselves, sharpening the saw. I don't want to take much time on telling example for everything, but sharpening the saw, you know very well. There are two woodcutters. They do work for 1 hour, right? But one person could be able to give only about 100 kg. Other person could be able to give for 300 kg of wood cutting. They asked him how the same time, same axe, all that is there, how you could able to do it. He told every 15 minutes, I just sharpened the saw. The product is very more, productivity is more. Products are good. Think about it. So that way, every time we sharpen our things, that is what we require. And about all your career assessment framework, and you know very well all the which we'll be talking later. But anyhow, the psychometric test, all that are, it requires three things very much. One is accuracy, then validity, then reliability. And what type of assessment you require, and how are you writing the reports and results? How are you interpreting to the clients? And anybody read the reports as a professional person could be able to understand. Nowadays, hospitals they stopped writing the disease. Suppose from my outpatient department, OP department, if I am referring this case to any super specialty people for opinion, earlier we used to write, I am here with referring, sir, case of anxiety neurosis, I am sending. Now it all stopped. Trend is changed. I refer to a super specialty person for opinion, for management or anything is needful. I write, I am referring here 13.5.1 for your perusal and for a needful, kind needful. Because in our ICD classification, international disease classification, it is there 13.5.1 like that. So all that, how we have to write the reports, because somebody will read the report and they'll interpret on their own different things. So all that, the training, hand holding, then branding, personalizations, then about privacy, confidentiality. That is most important. That is most important, friends. He has to have a trust. When we are earlier talking about the management side, when I'm talking about all university, when handling the MBA subjects, we talk about team. Before 20 years, the team explanation is nothing but together everyone achieve more. Now it is not like that. Team leader, team member have to go for four things. One is trust, other one is empathy, other one is attitude, other one is motivation. These four both should have. Then only the team will have a high power working team. HVWT we can able to create. That is what. So personality, all that privacy, all that is. Here I would like to say one point here. Simple example. In your area, there are 3 general practitioners with the MBBS degree. 3 people are there. One person gets 25 patients per day. One doctor gets 50 person per day. One person gets 100, even overflow. 100 tokens over. The secretary says today appointments are over. Patients are waiting outside the clinic. When doctor comes out, we'll see. If he's not seeing, then we'll go home. In the wait. Here, what would like to know about on regarding to our career, sir? Our profession different, sir? No. Very simple. You know, friends, for having a fever, what is the medicine you take? Paracetamol. Maybe the mg may be varying. Potency may be varying. Any country, you go to Asia or Africa or America, wherever you go, paracetamol is a medicine. Maybe trade name would have been changed. Why I'm saying that? If that 100 doctor, 100 patients visiting doctor, if he gives paracetamol, the fever reduces. Now you imagine whether the medicine working or the person working. Right? Think about it. So to get that opinion, generally we call them as lucky doctor, pasand doctor. In Tamil we say kairasi doctor. I will tell you, friends, to complete his MBBS degree, he wouldn't have found very difficulty. Just as you have passed, got the gold medal also. But to get this name from the public, from his clients, he has to invest a lot of things. He has to change himself more, update and change. All that you would have done it. So like that, we have to become a Kairasi counselor, guidance, lucky, all that. For that, I don't want to go on that strategy. I got a PowerPoint on 18 strategy, a general physician adopting it to become a Pasand doctor, lucky doctor, Kairasi doctor. Same applicability. If you apply, you are success, you are achieving in your career, in your profession. Think about it. So all that about 3G. In the morning, our chairman and our CEO, madam, told about all this. I don't want to take much on that. Let me go for our main point about psychometry. Right. So Blue Book also, the chairman is telling about it. But I'll tell you, friends, if you see the book, you can see there are more than 10 lakh people who worked behind it. Our chairman may not say about all that, but invested huge amount of money also, there's no doubt. But the time, all the experts, how they have presented in a nice way, how they have classified, how they have identified, done survey and corrected, they present, they publish in the Blue Book. It's yet to release by our chairman and about all people. And definitely we are going to see all the things, 13 categories, right? So this is what I am also very love to see the whole book. I have seen only the health sector because I am in the health sector. I take about it and I have seen it. With that, I am telling you. But after you all see that, then we will discuss about it. Then we'll come to new outlook from the Blue Book. That's what. So these are all in the morning. They said about from the 10th year onwards, from 10th and above, all that what could be there. Right? There are tests. There are tests from childhood onwards. But for them, they got any specific problems, they bring it to my clinic. And we give them assessment, we give them guidance on that. So, but basic age is 10 years. What is written there in section, they have to follow, and we have to give instruction orally, and they have to proceed with the time limit, and they have to bring out the score and a raw score, then convert it into standard score. Then you have to report interpretation, then you go for report writing. All these things are there. It is not that only just doing assessment going. No, all this process are professionally. We are going to learn about it out of this skill finder, about what stream the child has to choose and what is the branch. Generally, how do we go now? Among the marks the scored by the student, who is which subject he gets more, accordingly we say no. Now we do assessment and we tell this is what you are, and but here you got this marks so much, you now you can able to match yourself, and here if you go you can able to do better manner. That is what, right? So all that on stream finders. Then about engineering subjects, you know very well. There are about, sad to say that there are people in IIT, in Anna University, the suicide rates are, think about that also. Why? When they can able to manage in the school, why they are unable to manage in the college? Only the place is different, but they cannot able to do the compatibility. Maybe the curriculum, maybe the environment, maybe the situation, maybe the all friends, so many things, right? But don't say it is because of stress. I will tell you, friends, as long as you face stress, you are shaping yourself, you are molding yourself. From our earlier days onwards, we all know about two lines, irregular. If you got a small line, if you want to make you correct, put a big line near to that. Automatically forget about the small challenges, go for further challenges, big challenges. So that is what our elders, our forefathers, all have done. How you have to perceive? There may be the client coming to you, maybe the first graduate in their family. To bring him to this college level, how many people's dedication was there? Think about it. So all that as a career counselor, you and me have to look at that way. Other part of the person. Externally is not that. Internally, what he has got. That is our job. Our job is a wonderful job, no doubt. We are doing service to the humanity. Though we need money, I accept. But still then we are doing them. Right? They are very close to you. Once you touch some human way, automatically they can able, yes, this person is right. When I am approaching him, he will guide me in a right way. That thought you have to create. But how long it takes for you to create that thought? Rapport. Right? All that you would have learned in your counseling sessions, how are you going to build a rapport? Building relationship. That is most. First, value them. Right? Everybody has got intelligence, everything. But what best they got? With that, you have to get them progress further. Right? So that is what. In Tamil we say patta vaikirathu. You have to give them fire. How? You know there is a lot of things will come. A rocket and airplane discuss. The airplane has a rocket. At least I got a traffic, made distribution, cargo delivery, then managing passengers. All that is there. ATC control, all that is there. But for you, nothing is there. Why you are going very fast, mad speed? The rocket told. I am very happy to, at least you are there to listen my grievances. I will tell you, if you put a fire at your back, how do you go? So this is very raw way. I always tell the people, we have to put a fire on them. What is the fire inside, which you have to knock and bring it out and give it in the hand. They will be flying somewhere else. And we are also very happy that when they get beautiful awards and everything, we can able to pat our own. They are our students. I have enjoyed so many times. I want you to enjoy so many things. There are a lot of UPSC coaching centers I am taking on psychology options papers. I know my students, they become IAS, IPS, IRS everywhere. When we meet them, when they got selected, they come and tell you, do you feel sad? No. Being a teacher, being a counselor, being a guide, you feel always great. So I want you to taste that. Once you taste that, automatically you will be more than my height you can able to achieve. I'll tell you, friends, I have come from village. You know very well, English. I thought it was a major setback for me. But to learn English, I struggled a lot, especially when I came here 1978 to Madras. Very difficult. But very easily people have taught me how to speak English. Teachers have taught about grammar, all vocabulary, all that. But I never feel to say that. I never feel ashamed to say this. I learned English language from a rickshawala in Chennai Harbor. There is one person without right hand, the Palani, with a motor cycle rickshaw. When I was talking to him, he was handling about 5 language he was discussing. He was managing 5 nationalities. I asked him, what did you study, Palani? Sir, I studied only 3 standards, sir. I don't know how to put my signature, sir, only thumb impression, sir. Then how you are managing? Immediately he put the ball into my court. Sir, if you have studied like you, I would have talked, you can manage 10 nationalities, sir. I told him, I don't know, I know only my mother tongue. Even I got doubt whether I know the full about my mother tongue. Tamil I do not know. Sir, very easy, sir. Only 3 things very easy, sir. How? Sir, one is, if you are not speaking out, nobody is there to correct you, sir. 1. Second, if you speak wrong, you need not feel bad. The person hearing from you Opposite only you have to feel bad. Whether sitting or running, why you are bothered? You keep trying. And third, he told, even our mother tongue, we did lot of mistakes and we have learned it. That made me the foundation to speak English for me, friends. I don't know how you take it up this, I do not know. But from my side, what I have experienced. So like that, we have to give a platform for our clients to go with them from their basic. They may think confident ways. They may think all that. But with that, what they got with that, we have to build a building on that. Build a bungalow or whatever it is. So career finding, this is a separate package is there. Then about humanities, then about right career finding, then AI, artificial intelligence, is our main competitor. Artificial intelligence, it's coming. It's very, very fast. And when I visit a lot of foreign countries, in all the house they got the AI, different little instrument. I am seeing them. They do wonderful job. I was astonished to see them. But now later only I realized they are our competitors. I did not know. But now they are coming. So like that, multiple intelligence, you know very well. About what is multiple intelligence? Very simple. In intelligence, you know our theory, Spearman sword, about specific abilities and general abilities. So all that is it. But how do you utilize it? I know that I can tell you that everybody is intelligent, no doubt about it. But how are we utilizing our resources? That is what multiple intelligence says about it. Creativity, everybody is creative. Even our forefathers, they have four parents, and their great parents, all are very creative only. On their level, at home level, at society level, they would have done it. Community level, they would have done it. That's all. One year rice flour, out of which they created different items in the kitchen within small wall, four wall. Idli, dosa, uttapam, then Kolkata, all that, paniyaram, all with only one content. Is not creative. When your great parents without education or with education they could do that, what about you? They already put a platform for you. And we are the 3G team is also with you. We can do wonders, no doubt about it. Suppose we ask you, say for example, for creativity, you just I'll put one word, then we'll discuss later about it. Suppose I'm showing a pencil. Right? I'm showing a pencil. What is the, other than writing, other than drawing, what can be used? If I ask this question, in one of my university class, I asked, when this question was asked, when I was a student, I could able to only give 3 alternate uses: writing, drawing, then scratching from the back, then keeping the ear lip, then scratching head, and some possible, sometimes when I'm tense, I'm biting it, or when I'm very angry with somebody, using as a defense. But later I realized, in one MBA team, I realized they could able to say 48 alternate uses they brought it. So there are ample things are there. We may not able to think on those angles. As a career counselor, you and me have to make the client to think in different way. That's what we always say, lateral thinking. Think beyond, out of box. That is what. Personality already told you: interest, aptitude, psychological tools, and career motivators. Right? So you know about all basic history about psychology and psychometry, and father of psychology, father of psychoanalysis. Why I'm saying this? I complete my graduate, then on the PG they given me like foreign internship. They asked me to take class for paramedical courses on psychology. I got a paper. When I become first year PG only, I realized father of psychology. So long I was thinking that father of psychology is only Sigmund Freud. Then later only I realized father of psychology is the Wilhelm Wundt. Think about it. It is my mistake. I'm not saying the generalizing it, but think about it. Right? Even I'll tell you one secret, very, very little, the basic secret. I got selected for this course from my PUC. what now present students are doing about our plus 2. I was doing PUC in the college, the same college, the school. Plus 2 is SSLC, plus 1 is SSLC, plus 2 is a PUC. Then I got selected for this course. Somebody asked me, what you are coming here, you applied for a course? Yes, yes. You got selected? Yes, yes, selected. What college? Very beautiful college, yeah? Nice, famous college, very good. What is the course? I said, BA Psychology. Huh? Sir, there is no course in the college BA Psychology. No, no, you may not know about it, but I got selected for the post. Think about it. The pronunciation. The later I realized, people I went and told, they said you are not supposed to pronounce psychology, you are supposed to pronounce psychology. Think about it. So there are a lot of things are there, right? But there are people are there to correct you, right? Even you could not able to tell the subjects which I am studying, could not able to pronounce. Now I am the rated best. Think about it. The university level, college level, clinic side, and the corporate side, all that. But to become the stage, there are a lot of people who helped me to come to the stage. Think about it. So like that, there are good team is there. Come up with a lot of things are there, whatever it is. So these are all my personal things which I want to share. But whether you like it or not, I'm just put my submission to you from this level. I have made it to that level, right? So what are all my weaknesses, that all have become a strength to me. You all know about SWOT analysis, same thing. My handwriting was not good. When a PG paper corrected by one professor, I was a association secretary. He called me, because you are association secretary, I'm telling you, which is making you pass in your exam is your handwriting. Think about it. Only two people can be able to read. One is you, other one is that God created you. So there are so many things. So all that we would like to know about more on that way. So psychometrics, what are the types of tests are there? Attitude, then about achievements and aptitude, intelligent, neuropsychology. Neuropsychological, you know very well. If they got any specific problems, then we have to go for a specialist on that. And there are things are there, interns, everything is available on that. Then occupational test. Then about occupational test, why it has come. Now you know occupational safety in all the MNC companies. For that, which job they are fit for it, and what are the ways is beautifully putting effort to create a productivity. All that. The specific clinical test, if it is required, then student assessment. That is one. So the student level, what are things are there? Being a school psychologist. But I will tell you, friends, basic we have to accept. What? Student may not like one subject, because it is not coming to the student. Because of the teacher influence, he or she may not like the teacher, so he or she may not like the subject. I don't know how many will accept it, but this has happened, right? Now corporal punishment is prevented, right? But is it completely prevented? The questionable one. So all that intelligence, assess intelligence, cognitive abilities. What is called cognitive? Cognitive function means intelligence, memory, attention, concentration, thinking, reasoning, then decision making, problem solving. All these are called cognitive functions. And each has got different tests according to the level, according to the client, all that is there. Then about our behavioral. Think about. Most of the time is only behavioral issues. As being a career counselor, you have to be a behavior modification techniques you have to use to overcome their problems and challenges. Right? Who are the behavioral problematic children among the children? It is I'm asking, I'm telling simple tips for the parents also. From psychology point of view, there are 6 people are there. They want all the time your connections. Earlier it was called in psychology, it is called attention seeking children. Now it is called, the 6th type of children are called connection seeking children. You have to give extra time for these 6 people. Otherwise, you cannot bring them up. the way in which you want. Single child, firstborn, lastborn, single parent, both the parents are employed, and a joint family. I don't want to go in deep, but this is how you have to think about it. So as a parent, you have to go about it. And the second point I would like to give parent is, when you have to decide about your child's career, as I told you, from our outside, from our team, we can able to talk about from the 6th standard. But as a parent, when the child is in your womb, the whole family have to insist that you are going to become a collector. Hey, collector, how are you? Like that, you have to talk. The science you know very well. I am telling you the fact. 91 days in the mother's womb, all the family members, father, mother, all the young elders, grandparents, they can talk about the what they want to become. All they can able to talk to the child in mother's womb itself. You all heard about Chhatrapati Shivaji, Maharashtra. So think about it. So don't think that parents, it's only our job. You are also in the part of our team, and we will give you guidance how you can able to bring their inspirational things within them. All that is there, right? So all that behavioral concerns, emotional, all that we have to go with that. And adaptive function, self-help skills, which you have to. Only thing is, self-help skill is very nothing. It's nothing. Put them out of comfort zone. That's all. We give all the comforts. So they expect comforts from all the level. So we have to put them into the out of comfort zone, right? Fish out of water. Automatically they will independently survive and they can able to succeed. Two things are important: survival skill and success skill. If you are not able to survive, they cannot able to succeed. Once you know how to survive, they are able to succeed and achieve. That is what. So why we have to use our things for our clinical interview. Sometimes what will happen, some persons will not reveal their in-depth feelings when you ask. But in a psychological assessment tool, in a psychometry assessment, they will project themselves into the tools, out of which you and me can able to understand what is there itching them. Even their parents may not know, you and me are able to understand that. Automatically, if you remove that itch or hitch, they can able to succeed better manner in a very fast pace. Right? So all that informations, when you do interview, they put it in the writings and all that. Once they put in writing, it's easy for you to go for one-to-one counseling, face-to-face counseling. All that is it. Right? Then how to choose a test? There are plenty of tests there, and most of them freely available on the net. Really, it was not like that. Think about it. But we have to, according to the client, according to the need, according to the assessment challenges, then we have to put the test. But that should be, as I already told you, accuracy, validity, reliability. Right? So without reliability, there is no validity, all that. So purpose, there are three: more on memory or specific aptitude on that. Memory, most of the children, they say memory, but it is not that. I don't think our youngsters, they are not able to remember, they forget easily. I will not agree. I will strongly say them, you are telling lie in my clinic. So it is not that. Only thing is, if they are not interested, they may not be using the information. So information is not intact and they are not able to recollect it. That's all. That's only a problem. Keep telling, keep doing all that. Then manual dexterity, eye for details. Think about it. So how your fine motor and the gross motor and fine motor skills, how you are good at it. When you go for a job, especially manufacturing companies, which you have to be, dexterity should be good. Not only for factories. If you want to be a best surgeon, right? Best surgeon, your hand should be in under your control. Still now we rate a surgeon. If we put switches, if you see after 2 days, we have to search where is switching. Think about it. Okay. So they are all experts. If they want to be good, they have to be dexterity, they have to be very good. Otherwise, they cannot get success in the fame level in their professions. So all that is required, and different reactions with the same individual, and a different individual the same situations. All that is we would like to tell them the difference. All that. So learning, you know very well, learning plays major role. The conditioning is there, mindset is there, all that. What is blocking them, and how much they are able to, where they got stuck in learning side, all that. And we give them training and right candidate for about all the level, and identify the hidden talents, then assess individual counseling, all that. All the information what you have assessed out of the psychological tool will help you to go for individual counseling, right? So all that is there. And what is your mere role? We have to ask the proper guidance from everybody, the school authority, then from parents, all that. Because friends, nowadays the mental health act, what it says, without the blood relatives concerned, you should not tell about anything hurting things, or you should not tell about anything in hidden level to that. For that, very well, if anybody wants admit their person, their family members to a mental hospital, there is a form. How they, when they go for operation theater, they get a consent form like that. Here also, because the psycho-legal cases will come. So you have to be prepared on that, and you have everything is. But foreign setup is different because everything is recorded. Video is there, audio is there. So here we may not have that setup, but we'll create, and accordingly we will be able to get along with the clients. Some of the clients, they may not know to expose the video and audio. They very clearly say that no, that is the case. You have to go, right? So now things are different. When after the COVID, we are not able to see the client, only on virtual like this. We have to talk to them, either WhatsApp video or YouTube or Zoom. All that we see the client, then we have to what to be done. We are giving the directions, all that. But when I 1983 I started my career, people look at me in different way. How? They look at me as a mental. They call mental doctor, all that. But now things are entirely different. Lot of changes. Even they go for surgery, they before surgery 2 days they come to us and take our opinion and our discussions with the client and make overcome the fear of surgery, and they go better manner. They cooperate for the surgery. Because once as a career counselor, don't think that it is only we are going to give only for challenges for their challenges, solution to their challenges. We are going to help them the society or the people around them. What are the challenges are very easily they can able to manage either your involvement or the client's involvements indirectly. You can able to solve the issues. Think about it. Pain is the only one everybody in the world can able to realize. Even a coma patient can able to realize the pain. But that is also psychological. How it is psychological, sir? If you are sitting in a bus front row, your close friend coming back and giving a big hit on your back, right? You feel more painful. Look at the person who has hitten you. Very close from the LKG. Now he is away from our country for about 10 to 15 years. Now you are seeing him after a long time first time. Do you feel more pain? Yeah. Do you talk about that? You forget the pain. So when they coming to you, it is not that only on career choice, guidance and counseling. You are holistically, you have to take a charge on the clients. Any challenges for their parents or the family, or because all that is disturbing him. So which you have to understand, go in depth. That's why I told you 18 strategy. A general physician want to become a successful, he adapts same way. You have to adapt 18 strategies. All that is coming in here, right? So cultural sensitivity, you know very well cultural sensitivity. All the any tool, any psychometric tool, it has got a culture free or culture fair. Think about it. These two are essential. How reliability validity is essential, same way cultural fair and free should be important. Think about it, right? So 9 students comes, client comes, don't talk about the job shadow, not talk about the job, not talk about the what are the things required. No, give them interest. 10th, you have to give them specific, right? So, and based on marks, along with that, you can able to give, but it's what recommendations. And our clients, on the what basis you can able to guide them out of their interest or some of the job they expect respect more, like doctor, teacher, all that. And when I told this to the teacher told nowadays no respect from teacher students. I told them, anyhow, you are a teacher, madam. We always love you so much because I learned from you. I went a guest for a school. Behind the principal chair, there is a blackboard written. If you can read, thank your teacher. So you taught us. For that, madam told, no, sir, that stage general con. Nowadays, children are very, very bright. They are equally talking to us, sir. We cannot even scold in the class, sir, and all that. I told them only give 1 or 2 example. Let me share with my colleagues, those who are going to become a career counselor in future, or already they are in the field. You tell them, I tell them about how the present youngsters are there. In the whole team, that the LKG teacher got up and told, doctor, one boy was notorious in the class. So I told him, why you are disturbing others? Keep quiet. Idiot, keep quiet, I told him, and just I'm coming back to my position. He followed me and tapped me and told in my ears, same to you, miss. Think about my condition. We never talk to the teachers, masters. No, we cannot. We are scared of them more than our parents. Think about it. Then for UKG level, one mister told us, sir, this is nothing, sir. One day, I left about 3 minutes to complete the portion. I completed 3 minutes earlier the portion. So I don't want to leave them, because if we leave them, they'll talk, create a sound, principal will come. I want to engage them about one telling a story. The story topic is called Hell or Heaven. Some of you must be knowing the story, but those who are not doing it, I'm telling you, sharing the things. She told about what are the things will happen when you reach hell or heaven. What sort of treatment they give in the hell and heaven. After announcing this, and she's asking where whoever wants to go to heaven, please raise your hand. After 22 students, 21 students raised in the hand. Only one student crossed hands and looked at the teacher. The teacher asked, where you want to go? The student replied, where you are going, there only I will come. Hey, I did a lot of sin. Lord will put only into the hell. Go to good things and go to heaven. The boy replied, once I decided. The teacher asked, do you have an affection towards me? And then the student asked, no. Then why do you want to come along with me? Now only you said they'll be put in the hell. Already you told what are the treatment they'll give you in the heaven. They'll give you in the hell. That I want to watch, madam. Think about it. So teachers, still now, we have got a regard about the teaching, all that is because of that. Then about stability challenge job they want. You know, these are the area, RJ, sales, R&D, then about entrepreneurs, then counselor. Our job is our challenge job. A pleasure, you know very well. Happily, once they selected for the job, until their retirement, they are very happy. All the freelancer service, social work, government, job, and bank, all that. And what are the things are required? Other domains, money, attitude, aptitude, work culture, all that is culture changed. According to the culture, you have to change. Otherwise, no use, right? So awareness, aptitude, what are the aptitudes are there, and physical things you want to wear. So all that is there. And in this screen, I would like to mention only about cues. Sometimes when you make a phone call, it tells automatic reply. It shows you are in queue. Your things are more valid for us. You please wait in a queue. Like that, every human being is waiting for 5 queues. One is IQ, you know very well, intelligent quotient. Second is called EQ. Yesterday, our expert have talked about on emotional intelligence, our American psychologist. And other is called SQ. EQ, EA, both are same. SQ, that's called, if you believe in a God, that is called spiritual quotient. If you don't believe in God, that's called success quotient or social quotient. Then CQ, confident quotient. Then AQ, adversity quotient. Whatever the challenges comes, I will be able to bear and I'll come back to my original position, what I am. That's called adversity quotient. Is there any age is there, period duration is there? Yes, of course. For IQ, only 20 years you can able to struggle hard. That's what we tell them. Whatever you put for the children, they could able to learn very fast because their stage is like that. They absorb whatever you put. I know a child, the age of 7 years, the child knows 13 languages. And you also could have seen Guinness Book, Limca records, all that we have seen. I have been called as one of the experts for judges for Limca records. I went to North Madras, Rayapuram. They brought the boy. Earlier it used to call Dasavadani. With 1 minute they do 10 activities. So this person they introduced me. This boy could be able to do 25 activities in a minute. Is it so? Then I thought, my children are not like that. Who are the parents? The parent they introduce. The father is a fruit vendor on the platform. Mother is a flower vendor near the temple. Think about it. I was one among the judge out of the 25. So we may not know who is God, who is not having. But what is there, we will tell them what is. So that's called. So after 20 years IQ, from 20 to 50 years EQ or emotional intelligence. Then after 50 till you take your ticket to Uppar, it's called SQ. CQ from birth to death. In Tamil we say Karuvarayilirundu Kallarai Varai. Then AQ, when you want to be a successful person, you have to maintain this AQ. So all that we have got the tools, and how are you going to mingle all that, and how are you going to utilize your 3G products, all that will once you undergo the test, you will be able to know about it. That is what. Okay. So all that, why we have to think about all these things. If all these abilities are there, it is easy to help them to select any career. If they are less on that, we have to work more for the clients. That is most important. So benefits, all that is there, and increase success, engagements in the school, all that. How about they plan about it, and the quality of the students and destinations, all help draw, behavioral profile we create and give. So all that understanding about SWOT, right? Demerits, it has got limitations, type of assessment, and interpretation. That is most important. Interpretation by the professional, it is always good. That gives a different level of understanding to the things. Then about when you do ethics, when you do psychometrics, we have got ethics, all that, which you have to, as being our professional, all our professional, we have to adapt to all these ethics. We have to go with that, all that way. And about character of the good test, what is required? As I told you, validity, reliability, practicability, usability, then uniformity in that step, all step, then bias. It may be your children or somebody friend's children. You may be doing good job, but the child says, "You are my father's friend, uncle." See the word. So you could not expect how the things will come. Think about it. So type of test depending upon time limit, depending upon individual, depending upon language, depending upon method, what way we are going to measure, and depends upon the occupational level and about aptitude. So it has got different tests, different authors. It has been come in the all regional languages. How you can write your EPS exam in all regional languages, like the psychological test also, tools also have come in regional languages. But even after, it is not the question of translation. Think about it. Being our professional, you know about it. Translation will not help. Even after translation, it should have a reliability, validity, and standardization. Then only you can apply. It is called appropriate test. Then only it brings the accuracy. So these are all technical things. Being a professional, you and me can able to understand. Maybe the students may not able to know very clarity. Once they involve, then automatically they enable to very good at it, right? Test domains, right? And test items, standardized procedures, and what is the group and test items, all that. How to bring the final test, all that, right? Exercise already we've done it. Already told you about 19 functions, right brain, left brain doing it. And this is what reading the chart below the say the color, not the word. But we have been having a mindset only to read yellow, orange, blue. But they're not asking you to read yellow, orange, blue. They're asking you to read green, blue, red. Because your right brain, left brain itself has got a conflict within itself. Your right and left hand has got a conflict. If you are blind, if your brain is not giving appropriate command to the hand and your right part of the brain, it may not do the activity. So for accordingly, you have to prepare them to give proper appropriate command, encoding, decoding itself. You have to give. Then think about what is the seriousness of the career counselors and guidance. Think about it. Basic thing is we are going to, out of this tool, we are going to give them mental age. Maybe I may be talking about more technical. It's called IQ formula, mental age divided by the chronological age into 100. Think about it. So out of test, out of tool, out of psychometric strategy, we'll able to identify the mental age. And chronological age is what is actual age. Into 100, you get IQ. That's all. It's a formula. So mental age we assess through tools. Even in the tools, we'll able to know the what is the basal age, what is the terminal age. With that only we can able to bring the mental age. Then once mental age comes, then you go for IQ, all that, right? Then what are the 3 or 4 area I've divided? One is intelligence. First is I would like to talk about what are the tests are available here. Stanford Binet is the pioneer in the intelligent test he constructed, and he did lot of things. And Raven's progressive matrices, which I'll show you sample model, the format of the Raven's progressive matrices, and group test for alpha, army alpha and beta types. Already told you psychometric test has been utilized more for uniform service. You know we have got a service selection center at different place for army, navy, and air force. Uniform services. Then visual intelligence test. Then a battery of performance test. What is the difference between earlier intelligence tests and the last one? Earlier one, some of them you use more on verbal. The last one is called on performance. What is battery? Is any charges to be? No. Different 5 sub tests we include, and we analyze the different area of your intelligence and club it together and frame the IQ. That's called a battery. Battery means combination of different sub tests. That is what. So Stanford Binet, when it started, French scientist, how he started all these things with them, we'll be able to know all the things. Raven's, John C. Raven, 1936. It consists of 60 designs, and each design there is a 6 or 8 pieces are there, and one cut from the design. So we have to identify, the client have to identify which number piece will match to the design. I will show you the format. So there are three types of progressive matrices available. One is called standard progressive matrices, SPM. Other one is called advanced. Third is called colored matrices. Colored matrices for children, pediatric populations. You know what is pediatric population? Up to 12 years. When you go for labor, child labor, it goes up to 16 years. There the pediatric child is called 16. But in a clinical area, the pediatric population is called only up to 12 years. Geriatric, you know, the other extreme, old age people. So these are the things are there. And what could be that? This is 60 designs. There is a A, B, C, D, E, 5 things are sets are there. Each set has got 1 to 12 numbers. And after the scoring, out of A set, how many are correct out of 12, B out of 12 how many, C how many, D how many, E how many, total grant together out of 60 designs, how much that client has scored, all that. So designs are like this. Say for example, set A1, there is a design which is piece, one piece is missing here. Below the design, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 pieces are there. Client have to identify which number piece will perfectly match for this design. These are all timeless tests. There are some of the tests are there, very correct time limit, seconds, minutes are there. This is, but it does not require time. So give the client, ask for 60 designs. This is on SPM. This is for colored progressive medicine for children. Colored. Then advanced, lot of things are there. But here I would like to show you what is the average intelligence. That is most important. No? When we are talking about, we are learning about all intelligence tests, we should know what is the average. 90 to 109 friends. That's only average IQ. Below, different category. Above, there is a different category. You know, friends, Albert Einstein, they checked IQ, they said he was about 148. But now, recently you would have seen the Yalini, there is a one, Nalini or Nalini or Yalini, a child scored 210 IQ. Think about it. So they're all prodigy. Even in our own population, a child will be able to say 1,330 Tirukkural couplets, they could be able to say at a stretch. How many awards have been given by our government of Tamil Nadu? And so many Limca records for different achievements. So all that. So if they are highly average, then above average, you and me, our job is very easy. If they are below, we have to put a different strategy to reach them. Reaching them is most important. As the best teacher ranking, as the best counselor, we have to rank. Further, what is required? Reachability is required. Think about it. So Alpha Pharma, what are the things? What is the detail on that? Then Wechsler. There about verbal test is there, performance test is there. Performances we have to do hand and eye coordinations. Verbal you have to more on information, comprehension, arithmetic, similarity, digit span, vocabulary, literal number, all that. Performance, digit symbol, picture completion, block design, picture arrangements, all that is there. So these are the things. What is the digit symbol substitution test? This is how you can see about one sample I given you. This is what 1 to 9 numbers are there. And here there are some symbols are there. Symbol have been given. And there is a time limit. Within the time limit, how much they can able to fill up. Say for here number 2 is there, they have to draw this here. Next is number 1, they have to draw this symbol. So like that within the time limit, how much they could do all that, right? So because of lack of time, I just go for very speed. Other speakers has come, and you could see about this is called ghost block design. Each has got different history, friends. Earlier, this ghost block has got only yellow and white, right? But it has been changed. Why? One test they have done for one tribal people, about 2,000 people. All could not able to do that. Why? All the 2,000 clients are blind, color blindness. So that according to they are familiar with the red, when they kill the animal, red blood comes out of which they are very familiar with the red. Green, they every day time they see about trees and plants, they could see sky blue, all that. So after all these things, only design the test. One constructing designing test is not one day job. Even in the future, I am going to show you the slide. There is a personality assessment, 16 personality factor by Kettle. To design the test, it took about 18 years. 8 years, sorry. So think about it. This is another pass along. You know that like a puzzle. You are not supposed to lift any of the blocks. You have to move only here. You have to bring the red to the red line. All the blue should go to the blue line. So this is one time subtest, this is another subtest. Like that, the battery means 5 or 6 tests has been included, and out of which you could be able to design that. This is letter cancellation test, which come for more on children or pediatric populations. Verbal intelligence, what are things? Performance, everything is there. How to use your intelligent test. This is what because I don't have time, I thought I could give some activities, but no time. We also, as I told you, the pencil, as I told you in the class, I got about 48 uh, responses for other uses of pencil, not the alternate uses, other uses of pencil. Think about it. Among this, I was very much fascinated to know is 23 and 46. 23, yes, Tamil, I'll finish it up in 2 minutes. Shall I take 5 minutes?
Yes, sir, please.
Thank you. I know Dr. Maharaja is waiting there. Yeah, I know the pressure for you is more. I hope. So all these things are there, and what are the 5 success formula we learned from the pencil? All this there, and similarity, this much is there, and about already told you about 3 types of learners. How to identify? About 24 statements are there. It is a ranking of 3 scales, out of which if they ranked it, and we come to the scoring part, visual, these are the area, auditory, these are the questions, and kinesthetic, these are the questions. Out of the score, if they get more score on first one, they are called visual learner. Second one more, they are called visual learner. First is called visual learner, second is called auditory learner, third is called kinesthetic learner. Once that is given to the client, they will very good at involving and taking more score, right? Personality, as I told you, about first we have seen when we are a student, we saw only MMPA, Minnesota Multi-Basic Personality Inventory, all that. It has got so many number of items. But now everything is instant. We have designed in such a way in our 3G tests are not with very long, but even with the small one, how could able to get the maximum? So minimum resources, optimum utilizations. You bring the better result. So Rorschach, ink blot, we have played when we are young. Put one ink drop in the paper, fold it, and open it, and we ask our friends, "What do you see?" Same thing here. Thematic perception test. You show the picture, ask the client to write the story. Out of the story, what are the hidden feelings and hidden revenges, and about more on unconscious. Why you have to talk about unconscious? Being a career counselor, being a psychologist, being a guidance fellow, you should know unconscious only determining the behavior of the person. There are 3: conscious, subconscious, unconscious. But unconscious only deciding why this person behaving like this. Sometimes we say, no, he's psycho, yeah. All that. So that much unconscious levels. Then as I told you, 16 PF, then performance. This is all the MMPI. MMPI, we know about 10 scales are there. Each and every area, hypochondria, hysteria, femininity, psychania and mania, depression, psychopathic, paranoia, schizophrenia, social introversion, all that. Different areas, it has got different numbers. Totally, it is about come to 567 items. Right? Rorschach, as I told you, these are the 10 cards. Half of chromatic, 4 are achromatic. Black and white, and 5 are colored. Out of which what they say. So all coming from inside. You project. It's called a projective test. There are 2 types of projective. One is projective test. Second is called a semi-projective test. So these all will help you for individual one-to-one counseling. Why they told like that about all that interview, right? Thematic is a picture, as I told you. Then 16 personality factor. Already told you it took 18 years to design the 16 PM test. I told 18 years to design one test. Think about it. But behind that, how many people have worked? How many times they have corrected it? All that. So when these are the profile, as an example of my client, all that. So test construction, how it could be. It should be culture free, culture fair, all that. And there are 4 things you have to keep in the mind when you want to construct a test. One is construction, second is standardization, third is adaptation, then translation. All that is there. And these are the criteria which you have to maintain for all item analysis, all that. This is know about your face validity of the each question in your format or questionnaire or your inventory. Here it may take a long time, so I don't want to go about it. You go through that after the PowerPoint. You just call me. We'll discuss about it, and also I can able to we'll share both and we'll learn together. That is what. This is about what are the difficulty index. Any question within the category falls into 1 to 20 and 80 to 100, you should reject that question. You are supposed to include the difficulty index from 21 to 79. That only you have to choose. What is that you are confusing? If you give one question to 100 people, if they can able to give only 20% or about maximum 80, like that you have to give face validity of the items, right? Then ability index, reliability validity test, right? Then there are desirable, not desirable. Out of the answers you can able to decide. Then item discriminations and about reverse items. Some of the questions you have to ask in a reverse way. How you have to ask, all that is here, right? Then you know very well a lie score. Sometimes in inventory or question is called about K scale. If the K scale is more, you need not even score the test at all because it is a lie score. All you get out of experience by practice. Neuropsychological, any other specific on neuro and psychological aspects, we have to identify all that. And these are some of the tests on memory Wechsler, PGI, the number performance test, all that. The rating scales are there. Inventory, you know very well. By observation, you can able to see. I don't know how many of you can able to observe the face and read the face. You have to know about that area also, right? The nose is big. What is your interpretation? They are good in their ALD area. Even the nose also big with a sharpened end like a landing rocket. They are exceptional in the field. Like that, you should know some face reading also, mind reading also. Like that, so many things you require, and you have to be updated. Then only you are the successful career counselors, right? And why psychology is required, and about what is competence, what is competencies, and how best you can able to do that. And automatically the later one, this is called assessment center. I hope you may not require this, but still now you have to know about it. Nowadays, each multinational concerns, they started their own assessment center on their own. So for that, what they do in the assessment center, it is there. What is the process of assessment center? History and when to use assessment center. What are the essential elements of assessment center? All that, right? Then what are the stages in assessment center? Pre-assessment, during assessment, post-assessment. Exercise, then JC, psychodiagnostics test. This is according to the problem we have to add. If the child is mentally retarded, the child is scholastic backward, learning disability, behavior problem, autism, epilepsy, speech disorder, anxiety, psychiatric problems, IQ, psychotic, psychosomatic, personal selection, all suicide ideas, cardiac, career guidance, marital problem, personal selection. Thank you, friends, for patiently hearing all that. And I am ready to learn from you out of your question answer. Anything else, you can put our 3G team mail or any mail, or we are ready to be with you and associate with you forever, not only during this 2 or 3 days. And thanks for our chairman, Dr. Sagit, and of the team, CEO, madam, and other team members. Dr. Maharaja is a good mentor and guide. There is no doubt. And his team, our technical team, our Tamil and Nandini, and all our MCs, very good. And they created a beautiful platform for me to interact with you. And also, I should thank and show my gratitude the person who has given me the opportunity to share to you. Thank you so much. Vanakkam. Tamil.
Thank you so much, GK sir. And
sorry for yes, extended time. I know
that's fine, sir. In fact, people want to really hear more from you. They have been waiting for that. And of course, yes, for the want of time, he has closed it. But still, we are very, very happy. And he has shared entire thing about his life. I can say he shared his life experience, not all the trainers would be ready to share the second part of the life where what they've been learning from the second or third level of people. He shared how we learned English, and without any hesitation, he admitted that, and also he still says that he's ready to learn. Sir, நீங்க உங்களோட slide off பண்ணிடலாம் sir. So
Thank you,
still
thank you.
he's ready to learn from us. So that is a learning attitude we want, and thank you so much, GK sir, once again to have accepted our request, and like
thank you,
90
thank you
minutes
all.
you have taken the session for our audience. Thank you.
Thank
All right,
you.
audience.
Join the vision, build India. Join the mission, build India to serve the world. Join the mission and build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission. Build India to serve the world.